Hello, some of you ask me how I'm able to create so many campaigns in my Amazon ads account, and how do I create single keyword campaigns, which means I have a lot of campaigns for just one t-shirt, one keyword in one campaign. I don't do them manually in the ads dashboard. I use bulk operations. You can find bulk operations here. All what you need is you need to create a spreadsheet with all the campaigns you want to create, and I don't create those spreadsheets manually too. I have generated 3 spreadsheets in Google Docs with formulas which help me to create organized and formatted spreadsheet for bulk operations in Amazon ads. So let me make myself smaller and jump into the first spreadsheet. This is the spreadsheet I use if I want to create few campaigns in up to 10 keywords in each campaign, and I can create up to 8 campaigns at once. So what it means is, let's give it a name, manual exact first campaign, and you can automatically put that campaign into some portfolio if you use portfolios, but you need to use portfolio ID number, not portfolio name. You can get the ID number for each of your portfolio if you generate and download your custom spreadsheet data, and there's a tab in the file that you get downloaded with a list of your portfolios, and next to each portfolio is portfolio ID. So you can put some number here which corresponds to the portfolio you want to put that campaign into. Of course, you need to put some ASIN. That will be the ASIN of your product. Here you have 2 options. You can just set the same bid for all keywords. So let's say it will be 33 cents, and here you put keyword 1, keyword 2, and you can go on with it, and here you choose what targeting type of that keyword will be, exact or phrase or broad. Or broad. You can also target other product, but you cannot mix product and keywords. So this is a no. I would have to create separate campaign just for the product. So I would call this man. PAT means product attribution targeting. That's how I name it. And let's say some competitor, ASIN 1, ASIN 2, and here you can also mix and match your targeting and negative targeting. So negative keyword 2, and here you would have to choose negative. You can choose negative exact and negative phrase. So right now we have and we can make this enabled. So right now we are creating 2 campaigns. One will be targeting keywords and another one will be targeting ASINs. You have to fill this one, otherwise you will get an error if you would upload the file created without this thing. Also, for example, if I want to bid higher for this one keyword, I can do something like this. So this keyword bid will be 55 cents. All other keywords will be 33 cents, and ad group tag on ad group default targeting will be set to 33 cents. When you upload the file to the bulk operations, it can contain only 4 tabs, which is portfolios, sponsored brand campaigns, display campaigns, and sponsored product campaigns. If you would upload the file with these 2 tabs, you will get an error. This tab is the creation tab. So this file uses formulas, which you can see here and here. All the formulas are not accepted because they are formulas, they are not data. So what we need to do is we need to copy this, everything which was created by creator tab. So let's select everything. We copy this, so edit and we copy, and we go to sponsored product campaigns because that's what we want to create. We click here, and now we have to paste the data but not the formulas. So you have to paste special and values only. So right now when I click into the cell, it is the value which was created by these formulas. So let's say B2 is not that formula anymore, but B2 is the value. So next step would be to delete this tab and delete another tab. So we left only with 4 tabs. All are empty. And in last tab, sponsored product campaigns, we have our data for creation our campaigns. And don't worry about empty lines. It doesn't matter, you won't get any errors. They will be just omitted by the bulk operations. So right now we just download the file as Microsoft Excel, and once that's done, we just choose a file and upload the file, and after about 2 minutes, boom, you have 2 campaigns uploaded. So now let's go 2 steps back to get back our 2 tabs. These tabs are just for the creation of the file, which will be accepted by bulk operations. So this is how I can create up to 8 different campaigns for different keywords. And if I want to create more campaigns, it's just enough that I will put here async 2, that's different async, and get back to our creator, and you can see the naming of it. It's now async 2. So what I can do is select all the rows that I'm interested and paste them under. So now we have all these lines. So if I would delete this one and this one, so again we're left only with 4 tabs. I can download this Microsoft Excel and go to bulk operations, and oops, I will get an error. Anyways, here I can upload this file, which will create 4 campaigns at the moment. You see, I've done a wrong thing because I just pasted in the formulas instead of pasting in only the values. So copy and here should paste special values only. So now our values here. So if I delete these columns and go back to this tab, right now we can see the values only. So there will be 2 campaigns created and another 2, so 4 in total. So this is how you can speed things up, and you can use this spreadsheet. I believe I shared this spreadsheet with some of you before, but then I have another spreadsheet for creating auto campaigns. So let's say you want to create an auto campaign for your product, but you want to create an auto campaign and split it up into targeting. What I mean, instead of creating one auto campaign targeting all 4 of these targets, you create 4 campaigns for each so instead of creating one campaign which targets all 4 of these, you can create auto campaign with 1 or more targeting enabled only. So let's say I put some A's in 1, 2, 3 here. This is the daily budget. I can call it well, this is auto. As you can see, it populates the campaign name itself, and let's say I want to target substitutes only, so I put 25 cents. Because these are empty, so the formulas will create a campaign which has only this targeting enabled with this bidding 25 cents, and other 3 will be disabled, paused. So this is how it looks like. It creates a campaign, and here you have 4 targeting, and as you can see, this one is enabled and these 3 are paused. So what I do next, I copy this and paste it as a values only. And next I can, let's say, do this 30. Right, so as you can see right now, this one will be enabled only, and other one, and with the max bid bidding 30 cents. Other ones are paused. Now let me, for some reason, right. So this is the settings for default bidding at the group level, not at the targeting level. So next I would go here, copy, and paste values only. So at this moment we have 2 campaigns to be created. 27 cents. Copy. Well, I'm just flicking up. I'm on the Creator tab. Now we go to the Sponsored Product Campaigns and paste it. Control Shift V, Command Shift V is the same as paste values only. And last one, let's target it complements. So we will target it, let's say 21 cents. So I go to Creator tab, copy, and paste it here. And you can just change 999, different AC number, and repeat this process. So right now, if I would delete this tab, delete this tab, we are left with 4 tabs only, and in Sponsored Products you can see this spreadsheet will create 4 different campaigns, auto campaigns for the same product, and in each product only one targeting will be enabled. So this is next step is to download Excel file, go to bulk operations, choose file, upload that file, and if I would hit upload, it would create 4 auto campaigns as it is from this spreadsheet that we have created. And the last one is creating multiple campaigns, one keyword only in each campaign. So we will put an ASIN 555, let's say, and we will put it into the some portfolio, and we will add, let's say, 10% top of a search and 5% on product pages, and we have keyword 1, and we can have up to 50 keywords. And again, here we have to choose the targeting, if it is exact and broad. And over here we can mix and match, because each keyword will create its own campaign independently, so we actually don't mix keywords and product targeting. So it's similar as in other products. We will just copy everything which was created in our creation tab. So let's do edit and copy. We go to sponsor product campaigns, paste special, values only, and voila, you can see that we have created we have created 30 campaigns, one keyword or one ASIN in one campaign. So to finish the process, delete the input tab, delete the creator tab, and now we have our spreadsheet ready to be downloaded and then uploaded to bulk operations. So I'll undo. Right, so as you can see, using the spreadsheets makes it really easy to create hundreds upon hundreds campaigns at once. The largest amount of the campaigns created I have done was about 300 campaigns at once. But if you go above 50, I noticed that sometimes, despite that you've done everything correctly in the spreadsheet, bulk operations is not able to process correctly, and you will get some errors, but this won't affect anything. The worst case scenario, you will get campaign which will be marked red and will say incompleted, meaning it won't work at all. Yeah, so this is how I do it. Creating campaigns is really easy when you use these spreadsheets, and instead of spending, like I used to do, a few hours on creating campaigns, right now I can create 100 campaigns within half an hour or less. If you want to get access to these files, I will share the link below, and follow the instructions how to get access to the files. The thing is, I will make them view only, not editable. So you will see something like this when you get into the file from your end. It shows view only, so it means you cannot edit it at all. You can just see it. This is just a template, and the editing is blocked, so no one else can mess up with the template that other ones will be downloading. So to make any use out of this file, you would have to save it to your own Google Drive. This is done by clicking File and make a copy. And while clicking this, it will just ask to make a copy of this file. And once you saved it on your Google Drive, the file on your Google Drive will be editable, and any changes will be seen only for you because it's on your Google Drive. It's not on my Google Drive and shared with anyone who has a link. So get the files, click the link below, and you can get all free and make a use in creating multiple campaigns really easy.